Hello and welcome to our video series on computer knowledge. In this series, we will be covering various topics related to computers, from software to hardware, and everything in between. Computer Gyan Babaji. Episode 1 Basic Computer Terminologies. To start off, let's go over some basic computer terminologies. This will help you understand the various terms you'll come across when using a computer. A computer is a machine that can perform various tasks based on the instructions given to it. These instructions are known as software, which can be accessed through the various programs installed on the computer. Operating systems are the software that runs on the computer and manages its resources. Common operating systems include Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Random access memory, RAM, is the memory in a computer that is used to store data temporarily, while the hard disk drive, HDD, stores all your programs and files permanently. Episode 2 Internet and Networking. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the Internet and networking. The Internet is a network of computers that communicate with each other through various protocols, such as HTTP and TCP, IP. These protocols allow us to access and share information across the globe. Wi-Fi and Ethernet are two ways in which a computer can connect to the Internet. Wi-Fi is wireless and connects through a router, while Ethernet is a wired connection that connects through an Ethernet cable. Firewalls and antivirus programs are important for keeping your computer secure while connected to the Internet. Episode 3 Hardware Components. Lastly, let's take a look at some of the hardware components that make up a computer. The processor, also known as the Central Processing Unit, CPU, is the brain of the computer. It processes all the instructions given to it. The graphics card, GPU, handles all the graphics-related tasks, such as playing games or watching videos. The Power Supply Unit, PSU, supplies power to all the components in your computer, and the motherboard is where all the components connect. Finally, the computer case houses all of these components and provides cooling. Outro. That concludes our overview on computer knowledge. We hope this series has given you a better understanding of computers. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll be discussing more advanced topics. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.